Setting up his as a setup, a jab to a kick, a Superman punch. And a straight and a jab coming from Don Rubio, and a lead roundhouse kick coming from Carlos Suarez.
Kasabay!
True striker.
Machete's southpaw stance being a factor in this match.
Carlo, manap!
Possible going for a clinch, going for the back. Matter of fact, we start to see his position. Then again, he goes back to the guard.
Okay, he did not have much luck in this.
He's
got all mixed up.
Counter.
Good defense.
Tuloy mo.
Good step away.
Sige, umayo ka.
Leg there, but
Safeguard.
and a pass and a pull now. Once again,
Now this is even worse than earlier.
Go!
Carlos Suarez showing his little tricks. This action is
Elbow!
Didn't see much action going on.
Elbow! Tuloy-tuloy! Elbow!
one good turn, he serves another. Now
Sige, banat! Elbow mo!
be on top.
Elbow sa mukha!
I'd like to see some passing a guard there so that he can be severely dominating
Elbow!
on Rubio.
Tira! Ulo, katawan!
Even close his guard.
I know, I noticed that.
Maybe
And again, the guard is back. We're gonna have
Good! Oh, may sitin ha! Good! Okay! Hop! Tira muna! Banat! Sige! Ang mabuti!
Don Rubio. This is a bad game. Oh my God! We got a rear naked.
Sige!
In this position. Countering his rear naked. Holding on that arm, trying to slip away that back. Look at that. Oh boy. We're going to go back to the guard. Carlos Suarez. Guard. Here we go. And a reversal. I like the way Carlos leg lock. A knee bar too. At that, but then again, he's setting his knee. Very good counter for Don Rubio. Carlos displaying his talent in grappling, but he needs to tighten up just a little bit more.
Both fighters.
Yep. Demonstrating a lot of submission skills here.
Sige, tuloy mo!
And he's actually striking from underneath in a very awkward half guard
Tuloy
position.
mo pa!
Yes,
Pira!
try and face his
Sundok! Baka mo yung mukha! Mukha!
Actually, both fighters are in a very awkward position. Neither can submit in that position or strike properly. So we'll see where it goes from here.
Elbow guard! Elbow guard!
There you go.
Actions once again
Yeah,
brought to you by
banat!
Technology, Superb
Get
Security
tuloy!
Agency, Gorilla Fightwear, Zila Fightwear, PCSO, Pacor, and Metro Walk.
Alright, good position for Don Rubio.
Kamay ha!
We got a possible armbar from the top.
An escape by
Dominating